Hi everyone, my name is Ryan McLean. I'm the Assistant City Manager with the City of Diamond Bar. A local sales tax measure to generate general fund revenues for the Diamond Bar community is set to go to the voters on the November 3rd ballot. How familiar are you with local sales tax and your city government revenue? I invite you to test your knowledge with this first round of 5 questions. Let's get started. Here's the first question. We know the current sales tax rate is 9.5%. Do you know how much of that comes back to Diamond Bar to fund local programs and services? The answer is a penny. Only 1 cent of the 9.5 cents of sales tax generated per dollar in Diamond Bar is returned to the community to fund services like parks and recreation, street and infrastructure maintenance, and public safety. Time for the next question. What is the difference between property tax and sales tax? Property tax is paid only by property owners based on the assessed values of their properties. Sales tax, on the other hand, is paid by anyone, resident or visitor, who purchases a taxable good in that city. So anytime we shop or dine, we are not only supporting the business or restaurant, we are also investing in the community. Here's the third question. The ballot measure, known as Measure DB, proposes a 3/4 cent increase to the local sales tax to help fund a variety of community priorities: parks and trails, public safety, street improvements, infrastructure upgrades. How much will Measure DB generate annually? Did you guess up to $3.8 million? If so, that's correct. The city's general fund stands to receive approximately $3.8 million in new revenue. To put this figure into perspective, this is equivalent to the cost of about 4.5 months of the city's public safety services. 3 questions down with 2 more to go. Voters in how many California cities have chosen to increase the local sales tax rate? The correct answer is more than 50 cities. In recent years, a majority of sales tax measures have passed, with voters choosing to keep a larger share of sales tax revenues local, including those in nearby Arcadia, Covina, Fountain Valley, Monrovia, Placentia, Seal Beach, Sierra Madre, and South Pasadena. The revenue from these local measures stays local and cannot be diverted by the state or county agencies. We've made it to the last question. Can the state or county divert revenue generated by Measure DB? The answer is no. If approved by a majority of voters, this new funding, up to $3.8 million, would stay local, giving Diamond Bar, not the county or any other taxing authority, the ability to decide how the revenue is allocated so that the community benefits. That's it for the first round of Diamond Bar Quick Quiz Local Revenue Test Your Knowledge. Again, my name is Ryan McLean and I serve as the Assistant City Manager for the City of Diamond Bar. Your questions and comments are always welcome, so please feel free to call or email me using the contact information on this slide. Thank you and stay safe.